Hi everyone, this is Robin McCullen, your venture coach and your biggest fan. I want to say thank you first of all for opening up this video and letting me talk to you for just a short minute about the Rock Your Business Plan in 7 Easy Steps. I know why you've opened it up. I have been there. You are that mom who is raising children and doing the household chores and are busy, but you have this business idea. And so you are beginning to think about putting that business idea to work for you. But oh my goodness, writing a business plan is the last thing on your priority list. Why in the world would you want to do that as tired as you are? But the Rock Your Business Plan in 7 Easy Steps makes it very simple and puts it very basic right in front of you to work on. You can do it in a very short time. You might even be that corporate worker who works all day, 12 to 14 hours. You come home, you want to go into business for yourself because, oh my goodness, you're so tired of that boss screaming at you all day. You just want your freedom and flexibility, and now you're beginning to think about maybe going into business for yourself. But when you come home at night, you're just so tired and you just don't feel like you can just dredge through a business plan. Well, the Rock Your Business Plan in 7 Easy Steps, like I said, is very basic, it's very simple, and it gives you a visual for the direction that you want to go in your business. You might be that business owner who is already in business and you just had a great business idea and you just jumped in feet first and you are just rocking it out right now, but you're running in all different directions. You're chasing all kind of rabbits. You're downloading all kind of courses and reading all kind of resources and going to webinars and listening to podcasts, and you're just willy-nilly it everywhere with no real clear direction. Well, I get that too. Okay, so what you need is a business plan in place to give you, the CEO, yes, I said CEO of your business, oh yeah, to give you clarity. And so I have put together something very simple for you just to walk through in 7 easy modules, some exercises to give you clarity on what your vision for your business is going to be, the mission that is going to take to get you there, what's your mission statement. We're going to work on building your mission statement and then setting just a few goals to get there, like a stair step, one goal at a time to reach the top. And then we're also going to talk about the client, your ideal client, what they look like, and so that you know exactly who you're going to be marketing to, what the need out there. You're going to identify that need that you are going to nurture as the business and the business owner, how you're going to nurture that need, and what you as the business owner are going to bring to the table to meet that need. And then last but not least, we're going to talk about putting together an executive summary, which is really just taking the first 6 modules and putting them together concisely into an executive summary. So that's why I've given and built this ebook, Rock Your Business Plan in 7 Easy Steps, to make it very simple and easy for you. And guess what? If you work on it 15 minutes a day, you will have a business plan in 7 days. I have no doubt that you can work through each module for 15 to 20 minutes a day and do it completely, and then have a written business plan in your hand in 7 days. Now, this is for you, primarily the business owner, to give you clarity. It is a very basic, simple step, but it is so necessary. Okay, now this is to you, the CEO and founder of your successful business. Oh yeah, let's break through in 2018. I'm here for you. This is Robin McCullen, your venture coach and your biggest fan. Make it a great day.